Hey guys, it's Snarka, and I wanted to share with you guys basically how to do Cornell Notes. So, if you look back down here, you'll see that I have a set of Cornell Notes that look just like the ones you guys are taking for your project. You'll notice that there's a plate that these are pretty standard Cornell Notes. There's some different parts here at the top, one over here, a part at the bottom. So let's talk through, in Cornell Notes, what the different parts are. So, at Cornell Notes, pretty standard because here in the top you have where you put your name and you put the date. So, who you are, first and last name, given name, surname, date, when you took the notes. You'll notice I already put the topic in here for you. So this is the information that's going into my introduction. Okay. Down here, way at the bottom, there's a place for sources. Sometimes you'll also see this is a place to put a summary of all the information that's on the page. You can do just the sources, or if you want to summarize, you can do that as well. You'll see it's done different ways depending on the way the professor or teacher or whoever uses the notes, or what works best for you if you're just taking the notes as well. For this case, we're going to use it for sources. Here, you'll notice I filled in the recall clues. So I already know that what information am I going to need to put over here to go with this. I already filled it in for you. I need the Greek name, the Roman name, the title. So the title in this case is like king of whatever or god of blah blah blah, right? Um, Important powers. So again, what powers do that like do those gods or goddesses have, and then where to find him or her. Okay. So looking at this, if I'm going to fill out my own, you'll see that I am also a Hermes kid. So I'm going to do some research on Hermes. So Hermes, wildly enough, Hermes' Greek name is in fact Hermes. We refer to him by his Greek name. So that one, already done. Roman name. So the Romans, they pulled a lot of their religion and their belief from the Greeks. So the Roman gods, a lot of them are just Greek gods with different names. So I'm gonna have to find some information to fill out what the Roman name is of Hermes. Then for the title, I'm gonna if I have like a nicknamey thing, I guess I'll put it over here. And then I can actually list like what he's the god of over here. Important powers, where to find him or her, and then sources. So I know one of them that I'm obviously going to use, like off the bat. I already know that it's going to be Ducksters, because looking at this page here, when I pulled up Ducksters, it says right here that Hermes is the god of commerce and thieves. He's the messenger of the gods, so that's his title right there, messenger of the gods, right? That one I'll kind of jot over here so that I have over here to put what he's the god of. Um, do symbols, and that'll be good for later. Because later I'll probably need to know what the symbols are. Yeah, so we have some basic information here. So I can use this page, and then I can actually go in a little bit further and look for more stuff. Like what he's the god of, there's all that. Symbols, who his parents are, we'll need that for one of the pages. Children, abode, Mount Olympus. So where can I find him? There's one. Boom, just like that. I can find him on Mount Olympus. And down here, I probably actually need to cite my source. So Ducksters, and I gotta write the whole thing, .com. For you, it would just be copy and paste the whole thing. History, ancient, underscore Greece. And yeah, but this is basically all you're doing is you're taking your notes. You're going through, you're finding information about your god or goddess, and you're keeping track of it. And you're going to do that with all your different pages. You put your sources, you put where you found the information, and you just fill it out. So this is the same thing you'll do for all the pages of your notes. Because there's some other ones we're going to take. But yeah, so you go through and you fill your notes out just like that. So there you go, guys.